Content creators are almost guaranteed to burn out at some point during their career. If you're an online marketer, the estimates are anywhere from 61 to 90% that you will experience burnout as a content creator, with some statistics showing that 71% of content creators have actually considered quitting social media altogether. Now, this isn't surprising to me, because as a content creator, you're supposed to be creating videos, creating podcasts, making short form TikToks, reels, stories, emailing your list, and just generally pumping out daily content across multiple platforms in order to successfully run an online business. And over time, that can really take a toll on your mental health and well-being, as well as your excitement about what it is that you do. And I have been creating content and building my business online for the past 6 years, alongside homeschooling my children and posting almost daily content for all of those years. So I know from firsthand experience how to simplify this content creation process. And that's what I decided to share with you in today's video. This is my content creation simplification plan on how you can create content each and every single week and then repurpose that across multiple platforms so you appear to be in all the places all the time without burning out. So let's get into the training. One of the big things that I find with content creators that really creates a lot of stress for them is that they're not getting a lot of reaction or engagement from their content. So they don't feel like they know what to produce for their audience, or that their audience isn't even interested in what it is that they have to say. And the biggest reason behind this is that they're creating information about what their product is and what it does, rather than creating content around their audience's pain points. So if you are going through and you're talking about all the different ingredients in your products, all the different things you're going to offer in your coaching program, but you are not talking to your audience's pain points, it's likely that you're just going to get lost in the shuffle online, because people are being inundated day in and day out on social media with advertisements, with people trying to sell them things, with lotions, potions, and pills. And unless they actually feel understood, they don't really care what it is you have to offer and sell. So how do you create content that actually gets right in to your prospect or your lead's head and makes them say, "Oh, you are speaking directly to me, and I have got to find out what your solution to my problem is"? Well, the first thing is you need to think about what are your audience's pain points. If you have to do research on that, then that's where you want to begin. But we really need to understand our ideal customer and understand our prospects. So for this example that I'm going to share with you today, to help you understand where do you come up with these ideas, how do you research these things, we are actually going to use the example of weight loss. So let's say you have a product that helps people with weight loss. How do we know what to talk about if we don't want to talk about all the special ingredients and all the different things that this magic weight loss pill or potion is going to do, and rather we want to talk about our audience? Well, come on, let's head over to one of my favorite tools. So here we are on one of my absolute favorite tools, which is called Spyfu.com. And what I did was think about what are some of the biggest problems or struggles people have when they're losing weight. So one, we could do, they want to lose weight, but they don't want to exercise. They want to lose weight, but they don't want to give up the foods they love. Or perhaps in this example, how do they lose weight? Like, what do I do to lose the weight? Have they been struggling with it for a long period of time? And I come over to Spyfu and I type in the search, how to lose weight. And you can see this search has a monthly volume of over 40,000 searches. That means 40,000 times per month, people are typing these words into the Google search algorithm. Now, if you were trying to blog on this, it would be very difficult. It has a difficulty score of 64. So I don't suggest you go out there and start creating a weight loss blog and start doing a bunch of articles on how to lose weight. But what I love about Spyfu is that it gives you 118,000 questions that people are asking around how to lose weight. So we have how to lose weight fast. How many calories should I eat to lose weight? How many calories to lose weight? How much can I lose in a month? How much water should I drink? Does water help? Does apple cider vinegar help you lose weight? So all of these are questions, and you can see these search volumes right over here. These are questions that people are actually typing in, looking for answers to these problems. And this is the exact type of content that you want to be creating. So creating content that leads with these questions is going to make your ideal prospect, your ideal customer say, oh my gosh, this person knows exactly what I'm dealing with. Now, if you're looking for, well, how do I actually create that content? Let's take this one, how to lose weight fast, and we head right over here to YouTube. Type in how to lose weight fast, okay? These are like not magic tools, not magic secrets. This is accessible to all of you. And there are tons of videos on here about losing weight fast. Fast for teenagers, how to lose weight fast, how to lose belly fat. So these are all things that people are looking for. In fact, if we start typing in, let me go back up here, how to lose weight, and we just start typing those words into Google, you can see all the questions, into YouTube, you can see all the questions that people are asking about how to lose weight at home, for kids in 3 days. Somebody's got a wedding coming up. You could do a whole video on how to lose weight before your wedding, before your high school reunion, whatever it is. And this is the type of information that people are searching for and the type of content to be creating that your audience is going to be looking for. And then you can simply plug your products at the end of it as a potential solution for them to try. So once it is that you know what you want to sell, all you need to do is come up with the questions that those people are asking. And think about different types of people, right? Think about demographics. Women, do women need to lose weight? People who are over 40, people who are wanting to lose weight, but they're maybe vegetarians, or people who want to lose weight on the paleo diet. All these different types of psychographics and demographics can continue to help you come up with tons and tons of content ideas so that you never experience content creation burnout from trying to create ideas that will serve your audience. And I can all but guarantee you that if you start posting more about your ideal customers' problems and struggles and challenges, you are going to get tons of engagement on your content and a whole lot more sales. Now, once you know what type of content to create, how do you not get burned out creating it, right? If you've got to be on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and YouTube and emailing your list and starting a podcast and doing all these things, how do you avoid that burnout? Well, my suggestion is that you actually create one piece of pillar content per week. So it could be a longer form video like I'm doing right here on YouTube. You could turn around and turn this into a podcast if you didn't need the visuals that I'm showing. And then once you have that longer form content, you could actually turn that into a blog post. You could email it out to your list. You could take the content that you're creating in these videos and create a bunch of little short videos that are breaking this video apart or leading people back to this pillar content video. You could take original quotes. I love to use the service Temi.com, which can transcribe my videos. I'll go ahead and put the link below. It's like 25 cents a minute to transcribe my videos. And you can pull original quotes from that, post those things on social media, share your pillar content videos on social media. If you haven't figured out by now, I highly suggest that your content creation really revolves around video, because that is the fastest way to build know, like, and trust with your audience. And it's really what a lot of people are searching for. People don't have time, and they don't necessarily want to read through a long ebook or long posts on social media, but they will click a video and just listen to it in the background or turn it up to double speed. And so you're going to get a lot more engagement, a lot more consumption of your content if you do it in video form. And then you can break it apart and spread it out to all these different platforms. One of my other favorite tools is actually called Metricool. I'll put that one below as well. And Metricool allows you to pre-schedule and post things to multiple social media platforms. So a lot of times I'll spend a day batching all of my content, scheduling it all in Metricool, and then I can be off homeschooling my children while my content is posting day in and day out onto all the different social media platforms, and I never have to get burned out. Now, they do have a free plan, and I think it's like up to 30 posts per month for free, but I go for the premium paid plan because I want to post to all the platforms without having to worry about it or think about it and just get it all scheduled and done with. Now, if you've been creating pillar content for a while, or you've been a content creator for a while and you're still not getting traction on your posts, it might be that you don't have the right audience. And if you don't have an audience that is looking to you for health and wellness and weight loss, then it doesn't matter how great that content is, you're not going to get the traction. So make sure that in addition to creating really, really valuable content for your ideal customers, that you actually have those customers seeing them. And how do you go and find those people? Well, again, go back to YouTube and search for the top influencers in your niche. So let's say you're in the keto space, maybe you follow Dr. Berg, and you can go ahead and you can head on over to his Facebook page, and you can go and see all the people that are following him, or over on his Instagram profile if you're there in that platform as well. And you want to go engage with those people. You want to follow those people. You want to get into keto Facebook groups and start hanging out and posting valuable content in there that is going to be beneficial to that audience. Because what's going to happen, they're going to come over to your Facebook page or your Instagram account, or get on your email list or your YouTube channel, and they're going to start checking out all the information and content that you have to offer, because you're interacting with them and you're piquing their curiosity and you're providing interesting, educational, and valuable things inside of those groups, inside of those communities. And then you are going to build that audience of your ideal clients and customers. And when you're doing that and you're putting out valuable content, you are going to be making continuous sales in your business. And when you're making money in your business, and when you have a plan for your content, you're far less likely to experience content creator burnout. So I hope this video was helpful to you today. Go out there, do some research on what it is that your audience is looking for. Stick to a pillar content 4-week content plan, and I'll see you in the next video.